Hello collectors, today is Surging Sparks. Let's see if we can't pull a banger. So I'm hoping that we can get something really good out of this. So here's the QR code, guys, for anybody who'd like it. Code for online. One from the back. Basic Energy. Merrill. Drillbur. Quackle. Zangoose. Dragon Elixir. Gold Dingo. Looks like he's having fun. Magnezone. Togepi Reverse. Terra Orb Reverse. Rabska Hollow. Okay. Don't know if I need any of these. We will find out. Was hoping for a big hit. These Pokeballs haven't been given too great of hits. I will say that. If only we could know exactly what's in them. No, but that'd ruin the fun. The fun of the chase. Might drive you nuts. But if you pull the card you're looking for, oh, that could change everything. Okay, binder time. Now this is a bigger binder, so I gotta do it this way. Oh, we already have. We have the Ho-Ho Reverse here. I'll just... Gotta do it this way, guys. Sorry. And the Snuggle Nuggle Monster's back. Oh, we already have. Let's put it there. Magnezone goes in. Perfect. Yes. Got one. So far, one. Still better than none. And we need Togepi Reverse. Two. I will take it. Merrill, we don't need. Trying to show you guys all the cards as I go. Drillbur, we don't need. Need the reverse.
I'm gonna start just with a. You know what, babe? I think I'm just gonna polish.
Okay. 131.
Chewy.
Yeah, Goldeen. We've added. Now, Zangoose. Zangoose. 48, 49. Zangoose is in. Dragon Elixir. We did need the non-reverse. Right down there, guys. Oh, yeah. No. Terra Orb. Like, the set's growing pretty good. Oh, yes. Terra Orb is in. Yes. Okay, okay. Mass Sprint. Look at this. Look at all these. And last one. Then we got the Japanese version. Right in the same binder. Rocking out that. And yes, I did glue some pages in. And it worked. It worked. Sort of. Ah. Except for I realized I needed one more page. But that's okay. I can fix that later. But thank you guys for everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you keep coming back. So from Treasure Tracker to you guys, have a great day. Have some fun. And please enjoy yourselves. Bye, guys.